Well, you've got the closing bell sounding on this Monday, August 17th.
And let's check out how the action looks. You see the big drops. We've been talking about them for the entire show. 2.4%, the drop on the S&P right now, down about 20 points below the 1,000 level that everybody was hailing last week. 979.7 is the exact level there. These prices will shift around a little bit in the close. But you see the Dow dropping almost 200 points at the end of the day, down 185 to 9,136. Still a 40% plus gain from the March lows, but a big drop for today, about 2%. The Nasdaq down 2.75% at 1930 and change.
All right, staying with the markets, let's get a breakdown of what drove trading today. For that, we have Laura Lee. She's joining us from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Adam Johnson and Courtney Donahoe are over at the markets desk. And still with us is our featured guest, Bobby Heller from Champlain Brokerage. But Laura, let's start with you and talk to me about all the selling we saw today.
Yeah, Carol, a lot of down arrows here. Of course, big concerns about this economic recovery. And we're seeing the stocks closely tied to the economy really taking the hardest hit there. Companies including Caterpillar, Alcoa, as well as General Electric, among the biggest losers in the Dow Jones Industrial Average today. Now, Matt, I know that you're a big video game fan, and video game stocks really selling off quite big, with among the big laggards, Electronic Arts. Barron's coming out over the weekend saying that investors should avoid the stock, citing concerns about valuation, as well as weaker consumer spending and the impact that could have on weaker video game sales. And I do want to point out it's the biggest one-day drop for Electronic Arts since December.
Ouch. Any groups bucking today's downward trend?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, one group, health insurance stocks, and leading that pack, Aetna, posting some decent gains given today's sell-off. And the big reason we're seeing insurers actually moving higher in today's trade, there's speculation that President Obama will back off of the public insurance plan. And that was a big worry for a lot of these insurance companies, that the public plan would eat into their profits. Now, I do want to point out, we did get these headlines just crossing moments ago. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi saying that there's still support for the public option. So you definitely want to keep an eye on these insurance stocks. Carol, back over to you.
All right, Laura, thanks so much.